Hello and welcome back to my channel. We recently stayed in this silver apartment at Butlins Minehead, and I'm going to take you on a tour around showing you what you can expect if you're thinking of staying in one. One thing to note is they're currently being refurbed and rebranded as comfort apartments, but this should give you a good idea of their general layout. The silver apartments are spread across 2 or 3 floors towards the back of the resort, about 5 minutes stroll away from the main facilities. They have an open plan kitchen and lounge. They've got free basic Wi-Fi and the TV has some Freeview channels. There is radiator heating throughout and carpet in the lounge, hall and bedrooms. In the cupboards you'll find crockery and glasses. These apartments have a microwave, kettle, an under-counter fridge with ice compartment, electric hob and oven with 1 cooking tray, an assortment of pans. We've got basic cooking utensils, although we usually take our own sharp knife. The main bedroom has a good sized double bed. From this side you can see the wardrobe with a couple of hangers and the vanity unit, but they don't provide a hairdryer. The twin room comes with 2 full-size single beds and a small wardrobe but no drawers. A good-sized bathroom with shower and heated towel rail, but the water pressure isn't very good. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If you did, then please give it a like. If you want to see more from me in the future, then click the subscribe button right here. And if you want to see more from me right now, why not watch one of my other videos? And don't forget, if you carry on watching, I'll carry on travelling. Bye.